Assalamu alaikum. Good morning or good day, everyone. As I have promised to, prove the almighty formula of quadratic equation. So here is the proof. So this is, as we all know, that this is a general expression or general expression of quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. So we want to show this general expression is equals to, x is equals to minus b plus o minus root of b squared, minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, let's see. We all know that this is a general expression of quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Now, if we divide through by coefficient of ax squared, we have over a divided by a. So this a can go with this a, so we have x squared plus b over a x plus c over a is equals to 0. Now we can take this constant c over a, which is the product of quadratic equation, product of root to other side. So we have x squared plus b over a x is equals to minus c over a. Now we add half of the coefficient of x to both, it is squared to both sides. So let me do it here. Half of x is the same thing as x over 2. Half of x over 2 is something as x over 4. It means that we multiply anything by half in order to get it is half. So here we have the half of b over a is something as b over a over 1 times 1 over 2, which is equal to 1 over b over 2a. Now it is squared. Now we add it to both sides. So here we have x squared plus b over a x plus b over 2a, it is squared x is equals to minus c over a plus open bracket b over 2a, then x squared. So here we can now take the b over 2a squared and x squared. If you take it, if we open the bracket again, we will get exactly x squared plus b over ax plus b over 2a squared. So we have x plus b over 2a squared. So the square of this is something as this. So this is equals to b over 2a squared minus c over a. Commutative is allowed. So here we can now take square root to both sides, but before that let me remove this squared. So we have x plus b over 2a squared is equals to b squared over 4a squared minus c over a. So we can now take square root to both sides. So here we have plus or minus. So this go with this. So we have x plus b over 2a is equals to plus or minus root of, find the LCM of 4a squared and a. The LCM is 4a squared. So 4a squared into 4a squared, we have 1 into b times b squared is b squared minus a into 4a squared is 4a times c is 4ac. So you can still take from sort, if you have root pq, it is something as root p over root q. So I can separate numerator and denominator. So I have x plus b over 2a is equals to plus or minus root of 4b squared minus 4ac over root of 4a squared. And you all know that this is only 2a. How we get it? So we have x is equals to, I can take this b over 2a to other side, which is minus b over 2a, then plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So the LCM here is 2a. So if the LCM are the same, you can just add the upper terms. So we have minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac. So from the other side we have x. Therefore, the almighty formula is x, which is equals to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Thank you for watching.